Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how we can use TradingView for our stock market strategy. Suppose you want to start your trading journey and you don't know where to start from. If someone gives you some stock tips like you should invest in some companies like Reliance, Infosys, TCS, any other company, and you blindly invest without looking at the levels at which you should invest, yeah, without looking at the levels where you should sell. So how can you make a decision by yourself whether you have to purchase it or you don't have to purchase it? So let me help you with this. Here is a very simple strategy which is known as the resistance and support strategy. As the name suggests, support says when the price is falling, it is taking a support at a level जहाँ से बाइंग फिर से आती है एंड एक सपोर्ट बन जाता है जिसके बाद स्टॉक गिरने से मना कर देता है कि ठीक है नाउ द बॉटम इज बीइंग फॉर्म इसके नीचे स्टॉक नहीं जाएगा सिमिलरली देयर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस कि व्हेन द स्टॉक इज इन अप ट्रेंड and it is trying again and again trying to break a certain level but वो उसको तोड़ नहीं पा रहा है so that concept is known as resistance. Now let's take the example from this KP Energy Limited. You can see from 2023 to 2024 August, the stock is in highly uptrend. But it, in this uptrend strategy, you can see at levels of 700 around, a resistance is being formed. It's not able to cross that level. It has tried around 4 times, but it failed. And subsequently, it's being followed by a brutal selling in the stock. Now suppose someone would have invested at the levels of 700, now at the level is around 300, around a more drawback of around 45 to 50% of drawdown, and आपका पूरा portfolio wipe out हो जाता. So by looking at the charts at least you can make a preliminary assessment कि whether I should invest or not. Now suppose in the contrary view if I say whether one should invest at the levels of 300, now you can also ask someone, yes, we can invest at the level of 300 because it has given a support to me at this level. It has again given me support at this level. So why not? And you can see the volumes are also increasing. That means that buying is coming in the stock. Buyers are increasing in this stock. So a basic simple strategy of resistance and support can help you a lot in your trading to start your trading journey. Second, if you look at the example of Reliance Limited, now again, you will see from 2022 levels, if we draw a trend line, see this is a trend line that we have drawn. You can also draw it using this trend line functionality. Now, if you will see, I'm not going into the bar charts. I'm just talking about a simple line chart so that when you start your journey, you can get the understanding of the concept of resistance and support. Now, here you can see from 2021 to 2023-24 again, the Reliance is being trying hard to break the levels of 1300, but it wasn't able. And on the other hand, it was also not breaking the support of 1000 levels. Now, if someone would have purchased it at the levels of 100 and 1000 and waited till it breaks the support, it breaks the resistance of 1300, he or she would have got rewarded up to a price of 1600, from 1000 rupees to 1600 rupees. That was 60% of the jump. That's the that's how resistance and support work. Similarly, on the other hand, if second person would have invested in the stock at the levels of I say 1600 rupees. Now what would have happened? The price is now falling and up price जा चुका है till the levels of again 1350. It is coming to a support level of again 1300. So this is how this strategy works. You have to see when is the level to buy and when it is the level to sell. Just by looking at the simple strategy of support and resistance, you can make your preliminary assessment ki whether you should invest in a stock or whether you shouldn't. For more such trading strategies, follow my channel